Hello, first grade. I'm here with a story for you. I found this book. I'm a bulldozer. Pushy. You're darn tootin' I'm pushy. I'm a bulldozer. They call me Push McCallahan, and I'm a big, big machine. When a new building goes up, I'm on the construction site before the other machines had their first cup of diesel. I work from sunup until sundown, pushing dirt, rocks, and rumble out of the way. Whew, he's working hard already. I rev up my engines and blow my steam, and I don't stop until each pile is right where I want it. Do I get dirty? You betcha. Lucky my wide steel treads keep me from getting stuck in the muck, and they help me roll right over the big rocks and uneven ground. Whew. Other earth movers and backhoes load the dirt and rumble into the dump trucks that carry the mess away. Let's roll. Working together as a team to get it all done. Bulldozers like to keep busy. When folks need new roads, I carve them out and clear them away. Graders, asphalt layers, and steamrollers follow me to make the road you ride on as smooth as chocolate pudding. Ooh, I like how they're working as a team. They're gonna make nice roads. Out on the farm, I use my big spikes called the ripper to loosen the hard earth and pull tree stumps out of the ground. I guess that makes me a bulldozer. Once the field is clear, tractors and other farm machines are able to plow the ground and plant seeds. Oh, very nice. When there's a forest fire and the heat is on, I'm ready to face the flames. I use my big blades to build dirt firewalls to keep the blaze back, and I push underbrush and old trees out of the way so the fire can't spread. Ooh, he really works hard to save some trees and animals. While I'm busy with that, other rescue vehicles like fire trucks and water bombers put out the fire. Way to go. I've always got a new job to tackle. Floods, snowstorms, rock quarries and mines, and even stinky old garbage dumps. Phew-wee, I wouldn't want that job. At the end of the day, I wash off my stretch from my treads and relax because tomorrow, oh, I wonder what he'll do tomorrow. I bet you know. I'm going to do it all over again. Darn tootin'. Well, thank you for letting me read you a story. This was a lot of fun. I'll see you guys later. Bye, first grade.